Hello, Year 11, and welcome to your lesson titled How Much Do I Pay? Or Exercise 1.5. I don't know why they've changed their numbering. If they followed what they've been doing throughout the textbook, it should be 1.05. So I'm hoping you're going to enjoy this lesson because I know over the years, one question I always hear is, when am I ever going to use this? When am I going to use this in my life? This is actually some practical mathematics that you will use. So let's have a look. Reading through our little introduction, it says, we put numbers to work in every aspect of our lives, from earning and spending money, through organising schedules, preparing food, assisting with our leisure activities, to scoring sporting events. So a lot of you have jobs, a lot of you cook, a lot of you play sport. So this is very relevant. We're just going to jump straight into an example. Basically, I'm not sure how you say this name, so we're just going to call this person M. So M's rent is $42,768 annually. And annually means a year. So, a year. How much is his rent per month? So what we want to do is, remembering we want to communicate what we're doing, so we're going to write monthly rent, and it is going to equal our dollar amount, so $42,768 that he pays, and then we know a year is 12 months. So because we want to find out a monthly rate, we're just going to divide it by 12. Remember, you don't have to do this in your head. Just use a calculator. So it's going to give us the answer of 3564. Now, because this question was asked in words, it's like a math story, we need to answer. They haven't used the symbol, but I know we're all pretty confident with using it. So we're going to do therefore M pays $3,564 a month. You might like to write it like them, so each month M pays $3,564. Both are correct. Let's have a look at this next example. So Jillian bought 3 books online and paid with her debit card. She paid $6.40 for postage and $7.95 for each book. Before Jillian bought the book, the balance on her debit card was $160. Calculate the balance after her online purchases. So this is really relevant. If you're wanting to buy stuff, you need to be able to calculate how much things are going to cost you, if you're going to have enough left over to be able to budget. So first thing we want to do is we want to find the cost. So we know she brought 3 books for $7.95. So I'm going to write 3 times $7.95. We also then know $6.40 is for postage. Now you only pay 1 lot of postage, so we're just going to add $6.40. Remembering we want to use BOMDAS, so we want to deal with our multiplication first, and then we'll do our addition. I'm hoping by now we're super confident in using BOMDAS, so I'm going to do the same thing as what the example has done and jump straight to the answer, which will be $30.25. Again, you could write a therefore statement because it is a word question, but because this isn't the final answer, it's not super important. I'm going to do one anyway. So therefore, the books and postage cost $30.25. Now, the question that's actually being asked is calculate the balance after her online purchase. We know she had $160 on it. So I'm going to write the 160 she had. And because she's spending the money, it means the money's going to be less. So we're going to minus $30.25, which is going to give us $129.75. Then we're just going to write our therefore statement. Therefore, the balance would be $129.75 after the purchase of books. You could write it like the example has. The balance of Jillian's debit card was $129.75. It's as long as you're not saying there was 129.75 monkeys on the truck or something like that, that making sure it stays relevant, that's all that's important. All right, that's it. Enjoy this chapter, and I hope that you can see some real life application to this math.